Good afternoon, YouTube. It's Wednesday, August 16th, about 6 o'clock at night. We're going to come out here. We just saw a package show up. FedEx delivered it, so let's go check it out what it is. And would you look at that? There's the small parts kit, cotter pins, sliders, O-rings, everything like that. Here's my little bronze tooth. Let me rip this open. This is the synchronizer I was telling you about for the four-wheel drive that my teeth are all stripped off of. Set that over here. Let's see what's in here. The order was carefully packed. Gasket, more gaskets and seals, O-rings. Looks like a bearing in there. Oh, here we go. More seals, another bearing, another bearing, another bearing. Naki Quest bearing. Ooh, that's a nice one. Another bearing and another bearing with some more plastic sliders down in there. Alright guys, here it is. This is what we were waiting for. Pooch dog. Hi Dallas. This is what we were waiting for, so with this stuff, should be able to get a hold of my buddy that took the transfer case apart and see if he can put all the new parts in and put it back together so we can install. Or I'm gonna, if he's not available tomorrow because I need to get it done, I'm gonna get a hold of a performance shop that we build transmission and transfer cases. I already called them. Performance Driveline up in Danielsville said they would rebuild and put it all together, so I just have to reinstall it into the truck. Today we are actually gonna clean up because this place is a mess. We got tools laying everywhere. Tools laying everywhere. More tools laying everywhere. So we got to get them all back into the boxes. We got a lot of organizing to do. Nothing else to do today. All Performance Driveline closed at 5 o'clock. So stay tuned. Here we go. Yoga. Here's a tool you don't see every day. .1364. About the size of my finger. I wasn't kidding. I told you how to organize. You guys thought I was kidding. Well, I don't lie. Look at all those standard wrenches. Woo! These are all the projects from this first gen, the second gen, and the tractor over there. So that's what I'm using. WD-40 is just a little. Usually use simple green, but we don't have any on the farm right now. So, WD-40 will work. Rust preventer. Attach a little bit of rust on these tools. Clean them up nice.
Ryan Little.
Now check this out. This is out of my Pittsburgh box, which is right down right there. You can see it right there. Didn't notice this till now. You got a Pittsburgh, and I know it's Pittsburgh because of the how it says that 5/8, but check it out. Somebody broke this socket. Oh, right there, you can see it. So that's no good. Otherwise, you get on a bolt or a nut, you turn That flexes out. Junk. So we got all the tools away. We got my transfer case here in the 2 boxes, the old bolts to put it back together, and the new stuff, the gaskets, bearings, overhaul kit. So we got that stuff. We're going to be dropping that off at the shop tomorrow. So looks like today's Tuesday, or today's Wednesday. It looks like we'll be getting it back Friday, and we gotta try to get it in this right away Friday. Hopefully they're done with it Friday morning. So stay tuned. Video a little bit tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be able to video and putting it back together, but the install back on the truck will be on video. So stay tuned, and if you're stopping in for the first time, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned, and we'll see you soon. Bye.